Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to explain how we can use polar array in AutoCAD. First, let's create a circle. Okay, also we need another circle here. Good. From home, array, select polar array. Select this one, right click. Base point or specify center point of array. I select it here. Good. From here, how much item I need? For example, I want 4 items. You see, we have 4 items and distributed uniformly. We know that the degree of a circle is 360. For example, I want to just apply for half of a circle. So I change 360 to 180. You see, for example, 90 degree. It comes only for one part. Change back to 360. Good. For example, I want 10 items. Yes. From here, you can change the row. For example, it's 1 row. For example, I want to add another row. I change it to 2. It's 2 row. And you can change space between. Let it be 200. Okay. Or 300. Good. Change it to 0. Good. I think that's all. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.